All of us know that email marketing is important for e-commerce brand. Also, loyalty program is crucial for e-commerce brands as well. But realistic question, how important it is, how much return on investment can you get, and what impact will it do for your brand? Hi, this is Andrew from Flowium, the email marketing agency dedicated to grow e-commerce business sustainably via channel they own. In this video, I'll show you actual results we got from one project we did where we help e-commerce brand, D2C, direct-to-consumer brand, with their email marketing as well as their loyalty program. They had two big challenges. First of all, not everybody from their customers or potential customers knew that they have a loyalty program. Second problem was they had zero email marketing around loyalty program. But before we continue, I want to show you results and you decide if you want to continue watching or it's useless video and you don't need to see it. I checked, and in the last 30 days, this brand make on autopilot. So we set up this loyalty program, this email marketing strategy around loyalty program, set up on autopilot, so it's working and they don't have to touch it again. In the last 30 days, they made $15,971. Is it a lot or little? I don't know. It's a decent chunk of money if it's on autopilot and you do not invest anything else. And it equals to $3.35 per recipient, which is huge. Our benchmark in our company in general, if we send campaign, our benchmark is 8 cents per recipient. Sometimes it can be much bigger. It depends on the segment, but for this, $3.35 is a lot. Trust me. Let's go to my computer and I'll show you the exact strategy, how we planned it, what we implemented, and how it works, so you can repeat the same thing for your business. Okay, so we use Miro. Miro is like flow diagram tool. All our strategies, first we create in the Miro, then we present to the client, and if they approve, we move forward. If not, we have to revise it. So here's the strategy they approved. So it's more natural for me to put myself on the left. Okay, so the first challenge, their existing customers, either customers or subscribers, but not customers yet, did not know that loyalty program exists. So the first thing we did, anybody who is not a member of the loyalty program, in this case is Smile.io program. Smile.io, it's one of the leader in the e-commerce loyalty program. There's also Swell by Yotpo, which is relatively expensive to Smile.io, and there's Reward Line or something like that. We never used that program before. Okay, anyway, so if they are not member of this loyalty program, first email they will receive is, hey, like, we have the loyalty program and please join us. Okay, I missed one email. So yes, so this is the first okay, so I'm just missed one more email. So this is B. Okay. So we have a split test, split in our automation flow. So first email will go to the existing customer, somebody who purchased already in the past. And this one, benefit of joining, it's to subscribers who never purchased, but they're part of their database. So in the first email, the idea here, like, hey, like, you already customers and you just leaving those points or those dollar benefits on the table. Like, we don't ask you anything extra, just join and you have those money already, those points, that benefit already. So it's very easy sell for them. Email number 1B, which is for subscribers but not customers yet. The idea here is just to like tell them, hey, we have loyalty program, and tell the benefit of the loyalty program. So here you just need to do more selling to convince them. So in email number 2, in case they did not join, we want to say like, hey, here's the way you can earn or spend your points, because every loyalty program have some kind of system how to earn or how to spend dollars. So you need to educate them. So this is test. You don't have to do it, but the idea of 3A email is to convince them to join, and join not because of them, but because of their friend. Because when they join, they will get special link. When they share with their friend will get some kind of discount, and they will have the same discount as well. But in this email, we're trying to persuade them to do it not because of them, but for the loved ones or the friend. And email number 4, we just want to understand why they did not join the loyalty program. Something's confusing, something's not clear, I don't need it, and so forth. This way, we can refine the email marketing strategy around loyalty program better in future. So if they took step and joined the loyalty program, next we will send them member. They become member, and they will first email, we just want to congratulate them. Hey, thank you very much for joining our loyalty program, and so forth. And tell them about the program, how it works, like recap one more time. Do not assume they know how to use it. And number 2, we want to share them the referral link and say like, hey, this is the link, a special link, share it with your friend. They will get $10 off, $25 off, 10% off whatever discount you use. And you will get the same discount if they take you up on this offer. And the last one, I already recorded a video about this monthly point statement, but it's very simple. Actually, one second, it's A, and also we have a B. I forgot about that. Okay, so also we have a B, and we met minimum reward. Okay, so every month we remind them and tell them, hey, this is your rewards balance. So go and spend your points if they have the minimum reward. So whatever minimum is, like 500 points, 1,000 points, whatever you use, but they have to have the minimum. So in this email, you tell them like, hey, go and spend. If they do not match the minimum, you just say like, hey, this is your balance, but you didn't meet the minimum. So here's the ways, 3 ways how you can get extra points. Maybe, but why did I do this? Because there in your loyalty program, I guarantee there are some options like share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, share it, like subscribe, do this, do that. So it's like free way to get the points, but it's not, if they already use those things, they are not able to get any free points anymore. So they have to spend to get points. Okay, so those are 3 flows which added to our client $15,000 per month on autopilot, which equals $3 something per recipient. Honestly, it excites me. Why? Because it's on autopilot. You make those kind of money. But don't trust me. Let's see the real numbers. Okay, so let's go first. So the Smile.io welcome to loyalty program. This is when we welcome them. They join the loyalty program, and we send them just 2 email, and in this case it generated $7,500 and $2.65 per recipient. So it shows you the value of email marketing as well as the loyalty program, because people are more loyal and more willing to spend more money with you. Okay, second flow is join loyalty program. In this case, we target more people. That's why you can see only 7 cents per recipient, because we are sending to everybody who is not a member. So it's the majority of people are not members, but still we generated $4,700.47, which is, I think is amazing. And the last thing, which is evergreen, is $3,763.63 per recipient. So this is only one email that we just send them the statement, like you receive bank statement or credit card statement, but in this case it's just benefits, and telling them, hey, Mr. Client or Mrs. Client, this is how many points you received for the last 30 days. Go and spend them. So what do you think about this? Will you do this for your company? Will you add loyalty program? Or if you already have it, do you have email marketing? around your loyalty program. In any case, feel free to leave your comments under this video. Ask me questions. I will be more than happy to answer, or my team will answer them. Also, if you want to do the same thing or similar or even more advanced for your company, under this video there's a link. Apply for a call. Apply for our call. We schedule a call and talk how we can improve your email marketing around loyalty program. And also, if you're first time on this channel, please subscribe, like this video, or don't like it if you don't like it. And if you, when you don't like it, please comment why. And yeah, stay tuned for the next YouTube video, which we release every Thursday. Thank you. Bye.